Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys such as 3 Series, E90, E91, 92, 93 and you guys experiencing, okay, you start your car and unless you keep your throttle pedal, the gas pedal pressed, the car dies guys, and we will explain what causes that. Okay, let's say you start it, okay, and without pressing the throttle pedal the car dies. Okay, if you keep the throttle pedal going, okay, you may be able to keep the engine running, but once you depress the throttle pedal, the gas pedal, the car will die. We'll explain guys the most common reasons we've been experiencing here at the shop, and we'll explain guys how to fix that. Now, quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. In addition guys, on that BMW 3 Series we'll probably have close to 400 or 500 free repair videos provided to you guys. So all we need in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. If you need to buy any parts or tools for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below. We'll share everything for your convenience. This specifically, it's a 2006 model BMW 3 Series guys, 325i. This is the 6-cylinder engine, but even if you guys have different engine, the procedure will be very close guys. Okay, just things may look a little bit different. Now, if your car does not start at all, it's completely different guys problem, and we have a video about that. BMW not starting. It could be bad fuel pump, not getting enough fuel. It could be bad relay for fuel injectors, fuel pump, bad fuses. But if the car starts and then dies, and it starts, but if you keep the throttle pedal pressed, okay, the car will be running. This means that the car is getting fuel, it's getting spark, there is something else causing that problem. And what is that problem guys? Most likely it's called a vacuum leak or air leak somewhere in the system. Let's explain how the system works now. This is guys your air filter box on your BMW. On the air filter box you have one device, it's called mass airflow sensor. That mass airflow sensor actually guys, what it does, it actually takes the calculates how much air is going through the engine, through the air filter box, how much air, and that it means that that quantity of air is entering the engine. But on the way guys to the engine, okay, the air is going to pass through intake boot, throttle body, intake manifold. And if you have a leak somewhere in the system, what is going to happen? The car will not know about that leak. As a result guys, what is going to happen? The computer will not know that it got more air than it should, and as a result the car will not be getting enough gasoline, but it will be getting more air. That's why it may be dying, and the moment you press the gas pedal we actually spray more fuel through the fuel injectors, and that will balance things out temporarily, and the car may run for a little bit. So what is causing that now guys? Loose hose clamp. Okay, hose clamp that is not tight can cause that as well. Another thing, it could be a broken intake boot, leaking boot. Check the boot everywhere guys, check all the connections, make sure it's not leaking. This is a super common reason guys. Another thing, it could be even dirty, okay, or malfunctioning throttle body. We cleaned ours, we made a video on the channel that explains how to clean it, so please check it out. On this side, okay, the intake boot clamps to the throttle body, but on this side you have a gasket. That gasket contacts contacts right here guys. This is the intake manifold, okay, right there. That's where it will be contacting. So if that gasket is bad, if it's too flat, if it's not sealing, the car will get some extra air, which will result into vacuum leak, and if it's big enough leak, it will kill your car guys. It could be a bad gasket for the intake manifold, or bad vacuum lines, okay, or PCV hose lines. Okay, this is one of them. One PCV hose is on the back, so always check for vacuum leaks guys. Sometimes you will be able to hear it if somebody starts the car, okay, and you're on the side listening to the engine. You will be able to pinpoint where the extra air is coming from, because it will make that hissing sound like sucking air guys, so you'll definitely be able to tell. Always look for something like that. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.